Hi guys, my name is Erin Evison. I am from Kaysville, Utah, and as you will get to know, I love the outdoors. First things first, I'm excited to take this class and to get to know all of you better. I'm excited to be able to learn about how to deal with diversity in the classroom and better include those who don't feel like they belong. Here's my family. I am the second youngest out of 4 girls. We love to spend a lot of time together playing board games, going outside, going on family trips, everything like that. Here are my 3 sisters. The one on the far right is Sarah. She graduated from BYU Provo in manufacturing engineering. The one next to her is Anna. She graduated in accounting from UVU. Then the one on the far left is Emily. She is in 7th grade and she loves to play competitive soccer. One of my hobbies includes snowmobiling. I love going up to Island Park and being able to ride through the fresh powder and just be able to have a lot of fun with friends and family. Another hobby includes skiing. I love to go up to Park City Resort and ski with my dad, who is a mountain guide up there. My other 2 sisters, Sarah and Emily, also ski. So we love to have a lot of fun together out in the outdoors. Another hobby includes anything that is in water. I love to wake surf, wakeboard, water ski, tube, anything, you name it. Which also brings me to my love for triathlons. I love to run, bike, swim, everything. One random fact about me is that I love buffalo. They are just so cute. I love to go up to Yellowstone and be able to see them in their natural habitat. One last thing about me, going through the learning styles, I learned that I am a concrete sequential thinker. I definitely did not think this was me until I took the quiz and then went back and read about it. And I learned that they notice details and they process info in orderly, sequential, linear ways, which is definitely me because I love to be organized and have a way of going about things. Something else about that is hands-on learning. I love to include objects and be able to have it in your hands and be able to remember that better. Another thing it suggests for CS learners is setting up a quiet work environment. That is definitely me. I love to just put myself in the corner and do my homework and just be by myself while I get stuff done. So, well, thank you for coming along with me on this fun video journey. Bye!